bathroom break, kay unya pa mong flight, wala pa nabot ang mga airplane.
Afternoon, this is from officer speaking from the flight deck. Welcome on board flight EG 6722. Departure Pangilinan Airport weather information. Wind is blowing from
Available on selected panels with an indicator.
Abot ito sa Airbnb ba man?
I'm in a condo, guys, by myself. Low-key tired. I wanna sleep. And I low-key like my outfit today. Top from my ate. Shout out to you if you're watching this vlog. Sarang he. Skirt. Guys, hindi sila pupunta sa condo kasi we're gonna meet there sa Ayala and I'm gonna only by myself and I really hate doing things by myself. Please wish me luck. I hope I don't die, guys. Hindi, I look clean. Pero I look like an egg. Pero guys, suman akong skating. It's been a while, so saligid to sa teddy bear.
Kapag sa Gmall gani?
Yan, gikan J-Mall.
Wala.
let's go. Let's go na. Let's go.
I can't see myself.
Buta na ka.
After 1 hour kami, but I hate
It's been a while. Dili mo maka-video. Hindi kami maka-bring ng phone sa mga rides. So, no video sa mga rides namin. We went sa bumper boat and I'm so wet. Ay, sigliok!
Please do not rock the gondola.